Dear students, under the topic Bernoulli's formula of integral calculus, we have problem 4 here. We have already solved problem 1, 2 and 3. So you may first look into those problems and then follow this video lecture. Now here the question is evaluate the integral x cube e to the power negative 2x dx. Now in order to evaluate this integral by applying Bernoulli's formula, we need to analyze which function is u and what is dv. For that, we have to check what are the functions we have here. One of the function is algebraic and the other one is exponential. So as per the concept that we have learnt previously, if we check, algebraic comes first and exponential comes after that. So using this concept, we can say that u is x cube. So this will be taken as u. And the remaining e to the power negative 2x dx will be treated as dv. So using this, we have to find u dash, u double dash, etc. in order to apply in the Bernoulli's formula. So first let us take and write u. So u is equal to x cube. So what will be u dash? It is equal to 3x square. That is the differentiation of u with respect to x. And then we have u double dash, which is equal to 6x. And then we have u triple dash, which is equal to 6. And we have to stop the differentiation after this because we have arrived at a constant. And we know that a constant, when further differentiated, it becomes 0. So we need not differentiate it. We can stop the differentiation, and in fact we can stop the formula also with this term. And then here we have dv. So what is dv? dv is equal to e to the power negative 2x dx. Now using this we can obtain v. So integrating on both the sides, integral dv is v, and that is equal to, what is integral e to the power negative 2x dx? The integration of e power negative 2x is e power negative 2x divided by the constant that is in multiplication with x. So what is that? It is negative 2. So divided by minus 2 we have here. So therefore v is equal to minus e to the power minus 2x divided by 2. So using this v, we have to obtain the value of v1, v2 and v3. So the next is v1. v1 is the differentiation of integration of v with respect to x. So when we integrate this, we get v1, and on the right, on integration, e to the power negative 2x when integrated gives us e to the power negative 2x divided by a negative 2. But already we have a minus over here. So minus into minus will become plus, and 2 multiplied with 2 will give us 4. Therefore, we obtain e to the power minus 2x divided by 4. Next, we have to find v2, and that is equal to e to the power negative 2x divided by 4 multiplied with this minus 2. So that will be minus, so I'll write that minus over here, 4 2 times is 8. So we get minus e to the power negative 2x divided by 8. And then we have to find v3 as well because we have until u triple dash. So v3 is equal to the integral of this, so which is e power negative 2x when integrated gives us a negative e power negative 2x divided by 2. So the 2 gets multiplied with this 8, and minus into minus becomes plus, and so we get e power minus 2x divided by 8. 2 times is 16. So if you go through this patiently, definitely you will understand. Now using these values, we can apply in the Bernoulli's formula in order to evaluate the given integral. So I have taken and I have written the Bernoulli's formula over here, and I have stopped the formula with u triple dash v3 since we have terms until u triple dash and v3, and after that anyway it's going to become 0. So I have written the formula till here. So now applying the given the obtained values over here, the question is integral x cube e to the power negative 2x dx. So this is only u dv. So that is equal to, what is u? U is x cube. And what is v? V is minus e to the power minus 2x divided by 2. So multiplying these two terms, we obtain minus x cube e to the power negative 2x divided by 2. So we have obtained uv. Next we have to find u dash v1. So what is that? So we have a minus over here. So minus u dash u dash v1. So what is u dash? U dash is 3x square. So 3x square has to be multiplied with v1, e to the power minus 2x divided by 4. So multiplying these two terms, we get 3x square e to the power minus 2x divided by 4. And then the next term is plus u double dash v2. So what is u double dash? It is 6x. v2 is minus e to the power minus 2x divided by 8. So we will be getting a negative sign over here. So minus 6x multiplied with this is 6 e to the power minus 2x. I mean 6x it is. So 6x multiplied with e to the power minus 2x divided by 8. And then the last term is minus u triple dash v3. So what is u triple dash? It is 6. So 6 multiplied with v3 is e to the power minus 2x divided by 16. So it will be this minus, we have written 6 multiplied with e to the power minus 2x divided by 16. And on simplifying this further, we see that here it gets cancelled. 2 3 times is 6 and 2 4 times is 8. And here 2 3 times is 6 and 2 8 times is 16. So rewriting this, what we get is minus x cube e to the power minus 2x divided by 2. Then minus 3x square e to the power negative 2x divided by 4. Then minus, here we have cancelled the terms, so it will be 3x e to the power negative 2x divided by 4. And then minus, here also we have cancelled, so 3 e to the power negative 2x the whole divided by 8. So now if you see, we can take the LCM, and in fact we can take e power negative 2x that we have in common. So what we get is, in all the terms, if you see, negative sign is also common. So minus e to the power minus 2x can be taken out. So inside we will be having x cube by 2 plus 3x square by 4 plus 3x by 4 and then plus 3 by 8. And this is equal to e to the power negative 2x, that is minus e to the power negative 2x multiplied with the LCM of this term. If you see, it is 8. So when LCM is 8, here we have to multiply 4, so that 4 gets multiplied in the numerator and we get 4x cube plus, here 4 2 times is 8, so 3 2 times is 6, so 6x square. And here 4 multiplied with 2 is 8. So the 2 we have to multiply in the numerator, and so we get plus 6x. And here 8 into 1, so plus 3 comes as it is. So this is the LCM. Therefore, rewriting this in a proper manner, we get it to be negative e to the power minus 2x divided by 8 multiplied with 4x cube plus 6x square plus 6x plus 3, and we have to add the constant of integration c. So this is the required solution. Therefore, we have evaluated the given integral by using the Bernoulli's formula. In our next video, we will solve a problem which has appeared in one of the question paper in end semester examination. So kindly follow the next video lecture. Thank you.